another episode of Traveling, and today we're going to walk through the rainy streets of Pokhara since it's going to be a giant rainstorm today, so let's go.
It is a rainy day in Pokhara, Nepal today. We're venturing out to go find a place to get some lunch. Okay, so what did you think of the load of food stalls that we walked past? Not daring enough to try them?
Nope. So where should we go eat? Where do you want to go, Tyler? Moon dance. Okay. We could do moon dance or the place next door.
Try this place?
Boomerang.
The Boomerang. And, okay, we're gonna try the Boomerang. Okay, so we got our lunch. Tyler, what'd you get?
I got my pizza.
I got my vegetarian Indian.
I got my salad.
Okay, we ended up at the Moon Dance restaurant. So it turns out the Boomerang only had outdoor seating, and that wasn't going to work today.
Hope you guys all enjoyed this amazing episode of Traveling, and stay tuned for more amazing episodes.